shocked as y'all. He still wants the smoke. He still wants it. It's like a tank with a flat tire.
It even sounds like a tank.
This floor's too slick. Yeah.
No, it's because you literally just came up on water.
Push or so I can put some air in the tires, it might help. I don't think so because we're on 4 flats. Just push her. It ain't gonna hurt yours. Yeah. It'll hurt mine.
I put some air in the tires. Yes.
Oh, seriously?
Oh my.
Number 8.
Number A.
We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna jack it up. We're gonna get all the hardware out of the lift and all the brackets, everything like that. We're gonna go buy new hardware, so it's all fresh, it all matches, because right now it's just a mismatched whatever bolts were laying around.
Yeah, it's a Yamaha.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get all new hardware, good shit for it, and replace that. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the axles in. And then make sure the axles fit, make sure everything's good. Then we can kind of cruise it around a little bit. And then from that point on, then it's on to the other details. Seats, all the wiring in, building the tower bar for the stereo, rewiring everything.
Perfect. Thank you.
Aaron, you sound so excited about that.
Lots of stuff.
Just glad that you're all
I'm pumped. I'm so
finding
pumped.
everything, but you know, you still never found the freaking Allen wrench.
I didn't find what?
The Allen wrench.
Is that a sigh?
That was tough.
All right, we've reached a stopping point because Alan's a quitter.
I'll talk shit to everybody except
This
one
is
person on this earth.
this is the most ready and eager I've ever seen you
Yeah.
in a build.
Because I want to get this shit done.
I'm tired of working.
Yeah. I really want to try to stick to the goal and have like the last week before the ride to relax.
Is that the goal?
Not gonna happen, but
I was like, that's
nice.
that's really that's what's the word I'm looking for?
Nice.
Really optimistic of you.
yeah. Well, you know, you gotta have some.
Aim high, bro.
Yeah.
Aim high, aim high.
Yeah, shoot
Indeed.
for the horizon, settle for the ground. You know, just a little below the horizon, somewhere in there.
Just about right here.
Somewhere in there.
That's where we're
I mean,
at.
go shoot
All
for
the way
this.
up here.
You know what I mean? Give it everything you got, but you know, most likely just kind of settle somewhere in
And
there.
where that line is, right here is actually where the Rhino lies. So,
Yeah.
It's right down here.
Oh,
Steve laugh, insert.
We'll catch y'all back tomorrow.
so I stopped by and picked up this guy. So we just went and dropped the tires off at a man's house. He's gonna do some scooping and some grooving of the tires for us.
Get that weight down.
What do you say the name of that place was? Tire Works Acado on Facebook. Go check them out. We'll put a link in the description. But yeah, he said about a week, so we'll see what those look like here in a little bit. Right now, we're on our way to the shop, and we're gonna do some stuff.
Some stuff is gonna be done.
Things will get done.
Things will get done.
Something. Maybe. I don't know.
Hopefully.
I'm not drinking beer today. I know that.
Yeah. So we'll get some stuff done because we won't be distracted by drinking
Yes.
some beer.
Yes. We want to have our go-go juice that, you know, the Glorious Delicious, Lone Stars, or Miller Lights, who don't sponsor us yet, or Twisted Tea. Just saying. Cut the check. So here's where we got going. All the brackets and upper and lower control arms, everything that was powder coated white we took off. It's gonna get a new color. And I'm not gonna say what yet. We're just gonna wait and see how it goes. But Aaron's in there right now, grinding some of the brackets so we can weld it. So a lot of grinding, acetone, and prep to get these
painted, and then once the paint's on, dry, everything starts going back in. So we'll see how this turns out.
So we're out here in, I don't know, let's say it's a good 15-mile-an-hour wind, and we're trying to paint some arms because we don't have a paint booth. And it's our state-of-the-art outdoor paint booth. We like to be in touch with nature, not only when we ride, but also when we work on things. So that's what we're doing, and yeah.
I'm hungover.
We'll see.
So it's, I don't know, like 10 something at night, I think. Oh, it's almost 11. Huge shout out from Matt coming back over and helping out. Thank you, sir.
No problem, man. No problem.
Y'all go check out his Insta. He's cool, okay? Go give it a follow. Like for like, right?
Hell yeah, that's it.
So we've been all three busting ass over here. The biggest compliment of the night is not that, it's that. But anyway, yeah, this thing is kicking our ass. We got to do some modifications back here because for whatever reason, it's just acting funky now. Like it's just going, the axles are getting a bind when it's at full droop. So we're gonna do some fabrication with some brackets. I say we, that guy's gonna do it. That guy right there. Definitely not fabricators. Back in action. But the suspension's back underneath it. And now we're moving on to finishing that. And then we gotta wait on the tires to get done. And then we gotta do the whips and the rock lights, the radio.
What else?
He's got stuff he has to do on the Terex. He's got a bus he has to work on.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, baby.
Crunch time.
Why is this like this every time?
Every time, man.
Fucking time.
Every time.
We'll see y'all when we see you.
I think the shit's fucked up.
You think so?
I think. It's alright though. We're gonna fix it.
We're gonna make it work.
He knows that I loathe this fucking Rhino. But still work on it.
Yep.
Because I want my friend to be out there riding.
Gotta be out there riding, buddy. You're gonna be out there. Whether you got straps, whether it barely works, you're gonna be out there, man. What do you think, Aaron?
That was gonna be badass.
Yeah.
We're back. It's a Tuesday afternoon. So, turn that down. Explain to the folks what's going on, technical Tanner.
How dare you? Alright. So, shit's fucked. So what we're doing, if you'll follow me this way.
Oh. Look at that booty. Woo.
Alright.
Pause on it.
So, with the way this lift is designed, it's not right. So we pretty much had to
Just call it as it is. Just call it as it is.
It's shit.
Okay.
And so the axle's hitting the frame, and they're drooped too much, so they won't turn. So what we're doing.
Where's the bind up down here? Explain. Show.
So,
right here.
Yeah. So you got the CV is too much of an angle. Too much. And the same here. It's contacting here, and again too much of an angle.
Okay.
Right. So what we're gonna do
Solution.
is we're gonna make some essentially lowering brackets.
Hug your daughter.
And oh god.
Excuse me, ma'am. We're filming. Okay.
We're in the middle of filming.
Daddy time is later.
We're gonna make lowering brackets essentially, so that this corrects this angle to where the axle will actually turn and not break, in theory.
With those little pieces of metal.
Yeah, they're gonna go ping, ping, like that. And there's gonna be another piece welded across the back so it can't twist. Some good bolts, some washers, some spacers. Grind it all pretty, weld it up. It's gonna work. So we just gotta make 2 of those.
What are you waiting on?
You! You're my way.
How long till the ride?
Like a little over a week and a half now. We have
Got
1
it.
weekend left.
God help us. What you got going there, man?
Oh, seat bracket.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It looks like the Yamaha factory seat bracket.
Yeah. So we're gonna put Yamaha brackets on the Razor seat.
Right now, we can't stop. I gotta refuel these guys.
Bang me.
Is it refreshing? It's delicious?
Oh, yeah.
Not a sponsor
Yeah.
yet. So here's the mounted seat. Should probably not show y'all. This one was a rough draft. Don't look in there.
It works.
This was a rough draft. We had to do some bracketry. That one we're just manhandling. So my wife, in theory, will be safer. But we were gonna run the bases right there on the bottom, but we decided not to because it's gonna take out a couple inches. So had I not asked Aaron to give me the shortest chop we could possibly go, we could have ran the bases. This would have been easier, but we're just now like rerouting back to when we did the cage, you know. So
Yeah.
if you think about it,
Oh yeah. I don't think none of that was on there. So we had to go back in the archives for some cage chop.
yeah, Alan should have it when he does the editing. Post a picture over there.
Or something. A little short,
Yeah.
short clip.
Yeah, there you go. But yeah, so the seats, that one's in, the other one is in the process. My wife will be safe. Well, I mean, I am driving,
Go
so.
peep the functionality though. Show them how it works.
Oh, well, how about you show them and I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
Step bro, do we just become best friends? Yep. You want to pop the chair up? Yep.
Alright. So, besides the ugly half-assed tree, it's got the old latchy latch. You just give her a little pop,
Factory
like that,
Yamaha.
and then out.
Ooh.
Boom.
So we got
come
those. Boop, boop, boop. There's the factory Yamaha latch we put on the back.
Yep.
That is welded in, and then we bolted everything back. So we took this from the front. It was up here. Now it's in the back, some flat strap. Yes, it's, I mean, don't pay attention. That's all gonna get cleaned up. But then we welded these little tabs on. So the chair, go ahead and demonstrate. It keeps the seat.
I got it now. I got it. I need to.
Yes, now we're clicked in. I was waiting on you to do that and like, dunk. So yeah, now we gotta put the passenger seat in. It's like 9 o'clock at night on a Tuesday. We're going up on a Tuesday though. But shout out to our non-sponsors, Lone Star Beer or Miller Beer, whichever one approached us first. The state of Texas for not messing with it.
Yep. Yeah. Drawing a blank.
Bang, bang, bang,
Bang. Bang energy drink.
bang energy drinks.
Keep us like we're on crack.
TXMD Original, of course. They're badass products that they haven't dropped yet.